साहब के पता
Punjab restaurant. Kumamoto Kurokami, this A set, ladies set, cheese naan, this garlic naan, chicken biryani, bento, buffet,
चिकन टिक्का मसाला, चिकन होरेंसो, चिकन टिक्का, गोमाना,
Thanks more for Midori Food Lab.
साहब के पता हाउ आर यू
Fine, thank you. My name is Amanullah and I make this restaurant near 2 years. This is the name of Punjab restaurant. Punjab means in Pakistan, Punjab is a very famous city. So I choose this name for my restaurant. We have this food for Indian and Pakistan foods. Japanese people especially like Indian curries and Pakistan curries. Karasa no koto de, 例えば日本人たちがあんまり辛く食べない場合は辛さが合わせるんですね。調整できますので、そのために料理の辛いとかノー辛いとかできますので、ぜひ食べてください。I will be in Japan living like 30 years and I like Japan. Japan is a very good country and my family also live in Japan. Also in our restaurant, especially this university students come here and like our food, and this near have a Islamic center. There have our brothers Bangladesh peoples and Indonesian peoples come here, and mostly little bit Saudi Arabian peoples also here come our restaurant and enjoy our foods. Make a very comfortable price in menu, and I hope everybody will like. Our restaurant is in Kumamoto city near University. The address is Kumamoto Kurokami 5 Chome 8 to 7. Now I introduce our restaurant menu. Punjab restaurant, we have a lunch and dinner set like this A set with one curry, one naan and drink, salad. B set also have 2 curries, 1 naan and chicken tikka with rice, salad and drink. And also this C set for 3 type of curry and 1 sea kebab, 1 chicken tikka with naan or rice, what they like. It set have this 1 butter chicken. Butter chicken is more spicy for especially kids, very easy eat with mango juice and 1 naan. We make a new item ladies set for especially ladies. This 1 naan, 2 type of curry, and this 1 dessert have yogurt like other ice cream with chicken malai tikka and 1 samosa. This is for especially ladies, very famous in ladies. Fish masala set. This is 1000 yen, 1 drink and 1 naan with fish masala. This is a curries with the choice with set. They like which curry they want. We make this in set. How this customer need. How much spicy like this level 1, level 2, level 3. This customer choice we make like this. Menu this chicken tikka, chicken malai tikka, fish tikka and prawn tikka. And this have shawarma 500 yen. This is very famous in students. And this naan have simple naan and other cheese naan and this garlic naan and with keema naan have also and this goma naan. Especially this in cheese naan very famous in Japanese people. They very like the cheese naan. Mostly they every time in the menu set they change the naan with cheese naan. This is have a chicken biryani. It's a spicy little bit. For our students like Bangladesh, Indonesian people like very spicy biryani. So we make this chicken biryani. And this some items have a separate, who give order separate, like prawn masala, like kofta masala have, this fish masala have, this chana masala also good in Pakistan style, and this shrimp palak. This palak is in speak Japanese horenso. Mutton palak also very tasty. Chicken kadai, little bit spicy. And also we start this mutton pulao. This is for Japanese people. It's very low spicy. Japanese people can easily eat this mutton pulao. When we start the restaurant, we also have a buffet. This is 900 yen. 3 type curry and one salad and naan. How much they want to eat? This free eat. But this time because the corona COVID-19 is have a problem, so we this just stop and I hope inshallah in very soonly we start again this buffet. This very famous in students, and we start this bento in daytime. We have also high tech into daytime. This 550 yen. This 3-piece naan, rice and chicken tikka and 1 curry bowl. This 550 yen. Like this 3-piece naan and 1 chicken tikka with rice and people choice curry bowl. This chicken curry from choice here. Like 6-7 curries. People choice our curry one. Everybody asks, oh, this is very cheap and very delicious.
こんばんは、私はフォンと申します。ベトナムから来ました。近くに住んでいるからよく食べに来ます。これは、1年以上前から開店してからずっと食べに来ます。最近はコロナから弁当も売ってました。とても美味しいと思います。週か3回ぐらい食べに来る。
ありがとう。
どうぞ。
আমার নাম শেখ জামশেদ, কলকাতা দীঘা বাড়ি। এখন বানাচ্ছি চিকেন টিক্কা মশলা, গার্লিক, এটা আদা, এটা শিমলা মির্চ, আর পেঁয়াজ। চিকেন টিক্কা masala, dry masala, tomato. এটা হচ্ছে চিকেন টিক্কা মশলা। চিকেন হরেন্স, পালক চিকেন, গার্লিক, তারপরে আদা। এটা হচ্ছে হরেন্স, পালক, এই হচ্ছে চিকেন। এই হচ্ছে মিল্ক। চিকেন হরেন্স, এটা হচ্ছে চিকেন হরেন্স। হচ্ছে গোমা নান, এ ময়দা আছে নানের পেড়া, এটা হচ্ছে গোমা, যাকে তিল বলা যায় হিন্দিতে। এবার দেখি তন্দুরিতে আনো। এটা প্লেন নান।
Okay.
আচ্ছা, দুই তিন মিনিট লাগে। এটা হলো গোমা নান হয়ে গেছে। এই
And last I ask again, very thankful for Midori Food Lab. They come our restaurant and introduce our food to Japanese people and other people to can see my restaurant in Midori Food Lab. Thank you. Hope everybody like our restaurant.